Imagine this. You're running late, you rush to the garage, hit the button, and nothing. Your garage door won't open. One of the most common culprits? Broken springs. Garage door springs are designed to last only so many cycles, and over time, the repeated use takes its toll, leading them to break. This leaves your garage door stuck and your day interrupted. But there's a simple solution. If you're in the Helensburgh area and facing this frustrating issue, don't let a broken spring disrupt your day. Call 0409-774-111 to get your garage door repaired by qualified professionals. Don't wait. Ensure your garage door is safe and functional today.